Got quite a few smoke machines, things that we'll use outside, like at Halloween or for displays and things. But nothing like this little smoke machine that I've recently bought, and I really like it. So it's really small, as you can see. There's not much to it. It will recharge with USB-C. You refill it up at the top here, but let's see how fast and easy it is. You just turn it on. Once it's on, just give it a double tap, and you've got smoke. So it's happening that quick. Imagine if you're doing images or pictures and you needed some smoke in your image, wanted to get that little bit of a fade in the background. How quick is that? This has no smell. It's a glycerin type of situation. It's a clear liquid. We'll tap it again to turn it off. Right, goes off just as quickly. The best part, one of my favorites, I've got a remote control. It happens quick. Now you can use these hoses and other features or other hook it onto other lines and things. Imagine with a distribution system, you can really get a lot of smoke out to a lot of area. To fill it, you just refill the center section here, and it's that quick. It does get a little warm, but with the shroud and everything, you don't really, it's not an issue. I would buy it again. Hope this helps. The Lensgo Smoke K.